Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose OK. Then tap on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Wednesdays and Fridays. Then you need to tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and save your changes by tapping on OK. Then click on this bell icon over here, pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking at the chosen one and going back. But you can also choose add new and pick music from your device by tapping on the song and going back as well. Too far. But as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on, the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm though, you can do that by clicking on this bean icon, over here. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose settings and adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!